degrees. Oh, well, I must have pushed it twice. Never mind.
Hey, Sonny, how's it going?
All right.
Just a little wet outside.
What a touch. For sure.
Bit damn, huh?
Hadn't noticed.
I don't even think we need a weather forecaster.
Rain.
Raining and cloudy. Send me an email when it's going to be sunny. The 4 days of the 4 days of the year.
Right.
Hey, we had 2 of them big for you, spooky talk.
That's 2 of the 58 days of sunshine. We're down to 56.
We're down to 56.
Glad you didn't ride your motorcycle today.
I did start that up the other day. It didn't like starting up, boy. I tell you what, it didn't get warm at all. It just stayed at 180.
Oh, man.
It was trying to tell me something.
This is Christina.
It's almost.
Okay, 11:30 in the library and
Wasting food, you know. That's actually good food you're wasting.
I caught it.
And if it was filled with raspberry, it would have been better.